Hey lovelies, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this natural hair tutorial. If you're interested, keep on watching.
I hope she don't think that I think that she's some kind of hoe, 'Cause I don't care, that just let me know that.
This is how my hair is. It's real thick and whatnot, you know. I washed it like at about 2 or 3 days ago, and I just been sleeping on it, so you know I need to love it a little bit and put it in style today. So first things first, you will need 2 ponytail holders, rat tooth comb, our edge brush, then the hard brush, Eco gel, a spray bottle, some oil, and some Can 2 moisturizer. First, I'm gonna spray my head down and moisturize my head with some Can 2. I gotta get it all up in there. Then next, we're gonna be putting some oil in our head too as well. So right here, I'm trying to part my head down the middle as neat as I possibly can get it. At this moment, I'm trying to take out where my bangs should be. And to keep them sectioned away from my 2 ponytails, I'm going to twist it. Okay, so be sure you put the Eco around the perimeter of your ponytail and use that hard brush and slick that ponytail back. Don't forget not to take out your edges, because you need to have your edges out, because that's just cute. Since the ponytails are there and we're fluffing them out, we're gonna start on our bangs. I'm gonna put the Eco on my bangs. Now I'm gonna take my hard brush and I'm going to swoop it to the side. And I'm gonna keep doing it until I like how I like it. So I only had 1 bobby pin, so I put that bobby pin behind my head, and then I had me a hair clip, and I put it right behind my big ass pony, so you really wouldn't even be able to see it anyways. So yeah, there we go, slickety slick. Don't forget to swoop your edges, do all of that, your sideburns, all of that, because it really adds to the look, I'll tell you. And to top it off, we're going to put some anti-itch oil between my parts so I don't be irritated at all, because I like my ponytails real tight, and when it gets to itching, you know, you just need to put that oil up in there. So this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.